guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sharifa. Today I was supposed to do the everyday glam look and somehow it turned into a smoky eye. I wasn't planning on it. I was supposed to do something more natural, but just like with more face makeup and lashes. I don't know what happened. I don't know. But anyway, you could do this for everyday glam if you like to do smoky eyes for everyday. It's up to you. All the products are drugstore. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Alright guys, so I'm going to start off with the NYX HD Photogenic foundation, and it is a bit dark on me. I really did like the finish of it though, but you know, when I noticed that it was darker, I decided to put the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Tint on top. And I really liked this combination at first. I think the tint gave a really nice glow to my face. And I think I'm definitely going to try this with another foundation. But these two mixed together ended up looking really cakey later on. So I have to try them out separately and see how they work. Anyway, I'm using a Fenty Beauty brush to blend that all out. I've been absolutely loving this brush. It's like all I use. And then I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Correct Concealer. And just going to dot under my eyes, on my forehead, and my chin just to highlight all those parts. And then again, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty brush. Why do I keep saying brush? Sponge to blend it out. Next, I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in 20. And I'm just applying this under my eyes, just kind of setting my concealer. And I really, really love this powder, you guys. I'm just blending all that out and kind of just taking off all the excess. Moving on to eyebrows, I'm using the Covergirl Brow Pencil. This is a new product, I believe, and I have been using this non-stop. It's so good, you guys. I highly, highly recommend it. So I'm just filling in all the empty spaces in my brows, just kind of brushing it and filling it in. I'm priming with Wet n Wild eyeshadow primer. You guys know what to do here, right? This is pretty simple. I'm going to use the Milani Smoky palette. I'm taking that like a very light shade and applying this all over my lid and my crease to set my primer so that whatever shadows I use on top are going to be smooth. And then I'm going to use the taupey brown and I'm applying this into my crease to kind of deepen it up a little bit. Then I'm just going to blend that with my BH Cosmetics blending brush. And then I used this e.l.f. waterproof liner to line my eyes. I wanted to just do like a very subtle smoky liner, and this is where I went wrong because this liner is actually so pigmented. It's really, really good, and I kind of underestimated the pigmentation, and when I blended out, it just became a smoky eye. Like, this is how it happened. But I really did end up liking how it looked. I'm just like blending that out a lot. It's kind of a messy smoky eye, but I feel like with these kind of smoky eyes, it's totally okay. It's like one of those like 1, 2, 3 smoky eyes, and it doesn't really matter if it looks a little messy. It kind of adds like to that sultriness, you know. And I just added some mascara, and then moving on to blush. This is a sleek blush. I forgot the name of it. It'll be listed in the description. I absolutely love this color. It's just one of those really subtle blushes if you really don't like blush too much, but you still want some color to your face. And I'm taking this Milani bronzer and warming up my face with it, just kind of all around the perimeters of my face, just so I look a little bit bronzed. And then just very, very light bit of highlighter. This is a Milani highlighter in Day Glow. And then, yeah, I'm struggling with lashes. All these years, I still struggle with lashes. They're hard, man. They're really hard. Just applied mascara to the bottom lashes. For lips, I'm going to be using this NYX Nude Liner. I'm just lining the lips kind of just outline, because when I wear nude, I feel like my lip shape kind of disappears. So I really like to outline first with a nude lip liner. And then I used Milani Matte Beauty. It's really not pretty. That's why I didn't show up close. I don't know, it got smushed somehow. But I just used it for like a light wash of color. And that's really it. It's so easy and so simple. But I think it's a really great, like, you know, simple smoky eye that anybody can do. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!